Okay, great. So I want to thank all the speakers who have given wonderful talk for our 2 days heavy scheduled conference from morning to evening due to the time differences. So I think so here all our speakers for this conference, and I thanks again for their contribution to this conference. I think we have learned a lot from different speakers on different latest development from the philosophy aspect of it to the causal learning and the causal evaluation, and then also last one, the Dr. Yimai's evaluation of the performance, the causal evaluation performance of the causal estimate. So just give you some statistics for our conference. And so I think we're happy to know that we have over 1,000 people actually registered for our conference. And we have 1,000, about 600 people actually attended Zoom meeting. And also our conference has been broadcast live, and about 3,600. So, and also in this afternoon, we have a Huawei causal inference competition, and we have 2 winners. Actually, we have 6 winners for 2 different tracks. So one track is causal learning, one track is a causal inference for recommending systems. So we're hopeful can continue that kind of the tradition. And then here you may not, unless you know how to read Chinese, and so this is just show you where the attendants come from. So you can see that all over the most of the attendants are from China, and then also they're from overseas. And then here is some pictures from our meetings, and hopefully you can see some of you on maybe see you on the screen. And also, once again, I'd like to thank the sponsor for the conference. The first is Department of Biostatistics at the Beijing University. Actually, as Yimai mentioned, actually, I just want to tell Yimai that if you have a good student, you can send to us. And so we are actually still recruiting the new faculties. So we have a few opening positions in Department of Biostatistics at the Beijing University. And like I mentioned at the beginning, so our new department is a joint effort between School of Public Health and School of Mathematics and Beijing International Center for Mathematical Research, and also other sponsors, including the Huawei's Lower Arts Laboratory and Swama Club. Once again, I want to thank all members of organized committees to make this conference successful. As I mentioned, I hope our conference, the goal of this meeting is to promote communication and collaboration among researchers who come from different disciplines. As we know, the causal inference is multidisciplinary, involve different areas, including computer science and statistics. So we're hoping that the more cross-discipline discussion can take place after the conference, maybe can follow up with some of the research topics as discussed at the conference. And so once again, thanks for attending the conference. And hopefully, next year, we can see all of you in person. If not, we can have to see you online. So once again, thank you very much. And good night from Beijing, and I think it's a good evening for in the US, and then maybe good afternoon in Europe. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, Professor.
Bye-bye.
Good night.